Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to find the build number, which should be somewhere in software information, and as you can see this is the option we're looking for, and all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in a developer mode. So keep tapping and the developer mode has been enabled. So now we can go back and we have to find the developer options, which are, as you can see, right under the About Phone. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show text ID. What's more, here we've got some Bluetooth settings. Here we can show visual feedback for taps or show pointer location. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it is immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here in the Bluetooth audio codec, all you have to do is just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. If you're done with a customization of developer options, just tap on this switcher near on, and since it is off, you can see that all of the options actually are inactive, and after getting back you can see that they disappear from the general settings. Of course you can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.